Color Patterns of Male and Female Monarch Butterflies by Raquel Heslop, myself, Lola Ninberg, and our amazing mentor, Dr. Johannes Hamilton. In our introduction, monarch butterflies are an at-risk species of milkweed butterflies native to New York. In our project, we have been attempting to distinguish male from female monarchs based upon the ratios of colors appearing in their wings. The photographs we have been using in this project have been taken by Dr. Hamilton of his beautiful butterflies. Color patterns of male and female monarchs. Aside from the picture on the right, the males have an extra black dot on their wings. The females usually have more and larger white dots around the perimeters of their wings. The black dots make a noticeable dimple on the males. Okay, so on the pictures to the left, those are the pre-Photoshop pictures. Dr. Hamilton would send me pictures he would take of his butterflies, and I would basically clean up the pictures, as visible on the right. And here's some more examples of some of the butterflies I've been cleaning up throughout the semesters. Okay, my butterfly process. My butterfly Photoshop process steps that I've used to clean up the butterfly pictures. 1. Open the image in Photoshop. 2. Crop the image. Eliminate any unneeded area around. Number 3. Blow up the image to max to fit my screen for a better view. Number 4. Pick the selection tool and select Outline Butterfly. Number 5. Select Inversion. Number 6, you can pick the white color and fill all selected inversion. Number 7, after all the space is white, select inverse again. Number 8, go to the levels and adjust contrast and highlights for a better view of the details. And finally, number 9, you can save it as a JPEG and you have your completed Photoshop butterfly. To get the data for our project, we use an extracted color palette or proportional palette as a standard. Example will be shown in the next slide. Choosing either male or female monarch butterflies, Raquel will then look at the palette of color percentages. Depending on the monarch colors, Raquel will then add up what color she sees in the monarchs from the range on the palette. Our example, using Tin Eye Color Extractor webpage, for the males, no real dark brown close to black and dark brown, which would be 40.7 plus 6.5 plus 47 will be 47.2. Then we would add all the orange. The orange equals 24.7 plus 8.7 to be 33.4. And then for the females, we did some of the dark brown, which is close to black, add into the black and dark brown being 37.8, 11.7, and 4.4 to give us 53.9. Only one orange was indicated, being 18.9. The rest of the colors were too close or not enough to orange to be considered. Raquel then logged the black with dark brown and orange with light brown as a group and their percentages together in her data log. Their percentages will be added together in the order of their individual dates after they emerge from their chrysalis and their gender. Sometimes we have 2 or 3 of each gender with the same dates. Our project was to distinguish male and female monarchs based upon the color ratios of black and orange appearing on their wings. This is our data so far. This is of our males. And then we use the mean and standard deviation of the previous data of male monarchs. Our mean was 44.80% and 26.85%. Our standard deviation was 0.15 rounded and 0.16 rounded. Data so far for our female monarchs, including the mean and standard deviation. And our conclusion. Based on our data, we are able to distinguish the male from female monarch butterflies. The brown and orange colors on the butterflies really made the big difference. For example, the male butterflies had a mean of 26.85% compared to the females who had a mean of 22.17%. The mean of the black color for both males and females was about the same. For example, for males, it was 44.80% compared to our females, which was 45.31%. Both of these do get rounded to them 45%. The standard deviation was also about the same. Therefore, our data is good and has little variation. From our data, we are able to tell the females apart from the males since they have a smaller percentage of the brown and orange color compared to males. Thus, we are able to distinguish between male and females by just analyzing the orange and brown color without worrying about the black and the ratio of black and orange. For our future research, we should do more butterflies to see if this trend does continue. All right. Thank you so much to our CUNY Research Scholars Program and to our awesome mentor, Dr. Hamilton, for giving us the wonderful opportunity to conduct research at BMCC. Thank you, everyone.